Let me tell you a bit more about the computer science courses we offer at TeachME. For young students, we offer a lot of fun classes like BBots, Primo Cubetto, Scratch Junior, Scratch, Interactive Programming, and MIT App Inventor. For teens, we offer a wide variety of classes including VEX Robotics, Mobile App Development, Web Development, Minecraft Modeling, 3D Printing, Standardized Test Prep, and more. And for adults, TeachMe is the place to learn the skills to help you further your career. These classes include Python, C++, Java, web development, and mobile app development.